I just came back from the combi trip back to San Miguel and Allende, and today we are going to San Luis Potosi. Okay, got close the door. No puedo ayudarte. Tortillas. Ah, no, gracias. No, I don't have to go through cobblestones. Just want to get to the main road. A motorcycle guy behind me. Oh, wow, the jam on the other side is crazy. It's going to be somewhere very near here. Oh, I think it's that one.
Your destination is on the right.
Is it here? I don't know. ¿A dónde vamos?
Santa María del Río.
Yes, we're very hungry. Yes, un pueblo mágico. I'm gonna eat that. Floor connect. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, we have the beer that's typical of here, which is called guachicho.
Guachichil.
Guachicho. Okay, how do you like it?
The tastes are very good.
Okay.
And cheers.
Salud. Yeah, it's really good. Oh, it's sweet.
Super sweet. The taste is good. The presentation is good
Yes,
too.
the presentation is really
And the
good.
plates are very nice. Look.
Yeah, so we have the enchiladas pasteca. Okay, with cecina. Okay. Not spicy at all. Let's try the salty. What is this called again?
Bocoles.
Abocoles. With
Chorizo.
chorizo. Salty and soft.
You put all the grains over here,
Yes.
and then you put the fire
Yeah.
on those, and then you're gonna pass it through this one, and then this one. It's a big process.
Okay.
I can explain it right now. And then at the end we got fermentadores. We got 3.
For how long?
For about 3 weeks. All the beer, this one, guachichil.
Guachichil, okay.
Guachichil.
And how long is the whole process?
Like a
Starting
month,
from here all
month.
the way. A month?
Month and 1 week. What do you think about the beer? Did you
Yeah,
like
it tastes really good. It's
You like it?
sweet.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's
I
sweet.
like it.
I mean,
Yes.
it's not very strong.
It is not strong.
No, it's not
Yes.
That's the name.
Nice. Thank you.
No problem.
Ah, that is so cute.
¿Cómo se llama?
Chuchis.
Oh, está bien lindo.
Gracias. This is very famous here.
What is?
Las campechanas, the name. It's like a cookie.
Ah. You just asked the police to like move her car. I cannot believe.
Very difficult.
I know.
Okay. Difficult.
Where are your license plates?
I pay a permission per month because my mom never put the placas.
And it's okay? ¿Está bien?
With the permission, it's okay.
Okay,
With my
okay.
license, with the permission, it's okay. Yeah.
Let's go?
Yeah, mezcal.
Mezcal again. I keep drinking mezcal.
Okay, perfect.
Hola, Pia.
Say hi, Pia, to the camera of Janet. El callejón de San Francisco.
Okay. ¿Cómo se llama?
Se llama Parchenca.
Sweet and refreshing, so good.
Excelente provecho.
Gracias.
Gracias. Enchiladas potosinas. Tastes really good. You like it? ¿Te gusta?
Claro.
No, ¿te gusta? ¿Con crema? Ok, muy bien, está bien. Yes.
Muchas gracias.
Estoy muy emocionada.
Tomorrow no. Vamos a beber mezcal.
Sí.
Su sabor es good. Un alcohol.
El mezcal está horrible.
No, ya.
Solo para los grandes.
Oh.
Good taste, but heavy.
Provechito. Gracias.
Okay, we have like sopa de cerveza. Oh my god! It's so good. I can taste the beer.
Pues fíjate que yo he tomado varias posiciones, he crecido entre sus improvements.
La admiro. Porque
Okay, this sopa
hace
seca.
lo que se le da a hacerla.
¿No?
La llevo azteca. Soy muy y la llevo.
People that I know, I am in